To complete your application, go to school-application.ie. This is the home page. To apply for a place in a mainstream post-primary school, click Mainstream Application. Next, you'll be asked to create a profile. Enter your own details here, that is, the parent or guardian who is filling out the form. When you add your email address and click Verify, we'll send a code to your inbox. If you don't see it straight away, please check your spam or junk folder. If it still hasn't arrived after 60 seconds, click Send New Code. It won't resend before the minute is up, but after that, you can try again. Once you have the code, paste it into the box and click Verify Code. Then create a password and fill in your first name, surname, address, air code, and mobile number. Your mobile number will also need to be verified. Click Continue, then choose Send Code. You'll receive a text message with a 6-digit code. If you don't see it immediately, you can resend the code after 60 seconds. You also have the option to send code via WhatsApp. If one method doesn't work, try the other. When your code arrives, type it into the box and click Verify Code. You've now completed the first stage of creating an account. Here, you'll see important information about the application process, including key dates and details about the participating schools. You can click to view all 17 schools, read their admissions policies and notices, or visit their websites. There's also a help button with frequently asked questions and school contact details. You will see your own name in the top right-hand corner. There is a drop-down from this where you can sign out or click My Profile. On the My Profile page, you can check all of your details and update if required. You can also delete your profile and all application details if you wish by clicking Delete All Information, including Application. Click Settings to update your password. To return to the application form, click school-application.ie at the top. Now, to start the form, click Start Application. Here, the first step is to confirm that you are completing the form truthfully and understand that some details may be checked by schools later in the process. Next, you can enter the details of a second parent or guardian if there is one. If address is different from the parent or guardian completing the form, uncheck Same as Parent or Guardian 1 and complete the address. When finished, click Save and Next. Now enter your child's details. First, say how many children you are applying for. Most people will choose 1, but if you're applying for twins or more, you can select the correct number. Next, does your child have a PPS number? If yes, click Yes and enter it in the correct format. If not, just click No. Then add your child's surname, first name and date of birth. You can type the date or use the date picker. Select their gender, religion, or choose none if this does not apply, and nationality. Type to search or pick from the list. Enter their address. If it's the same as yours, click Yes. If not, select No and type it in. Choose your parish from the list or type it under Other Parish. Do the same for your child's current primary school. If it's not listed, type it under Other Primary School. If none apply, select None. Next, you'll rank your 11 secondary schools in order of preference. Number 1 should be the school you most want your child to attend. Then choose number 2, 3, and so on down the list in order of preference. If you make a mistake, click the number you wish to change and click Remove Ranking. You must select exactly 11 schools before moving forward. To see more details about a school, including their admissions policies and notice, or a link to the school website, click Schools or click See All Admission Policies here. Once you are finished choosing 11 schools, click Save and Next. The next 2 pages ask about whether parents or siblings have attended any of the 17 participating schools. Complete this first page if either parent or guardian previously attended one of the participating schools. If so, choose the school and years attended. Otherwise, click Not Relevant. The top section of this next page should be completed if the child has any siblings currently attending one of the schools. If they do, click Yes, enter the sibling's full name, and choose the relevant school. The next section should be completed if the child has siblings who previously attended one of the 17 schools. Enter the school name and years attended. Once complete, click Save and Next. Finally, you'll see the privacy notice and data protection statement. Read through this carefully. If you're happy, tick to confirm and then click Submit. If you would only like to share your data with your first-ranked school, please tick the second box. Please note that this does not change the likelihood that your child will be offered a space in their first-ranked school. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email with a copy of your application. This will include your ranked schools, parent or guardian details, your child's information, and any family attendance in relevant schools. If you spot a mistake, you can edit, save, and resubmit the form. Each time, you will receive an updated confirmation email. You can make changes up until the deadline. After that, your form will be locked and marked under review. From there, schools will carry out their admissions process. Once the admissions process is complete, schools will post offer letters to families. Finally, let us redirect you to this help section at the top if you have any outstanding queries about this process, as many of them are addressed here.